there are people, and I've had students like this, that don't write anything. They haven't written a song before at all. Okay, they've only consumed music. They've only listened to music, right? They don't play an instrument. They might have written a few things down, thoughts or a little poem or something like that, but I've never actually written a song, right? Which we can define a song as, predominantly music, okay, added and lyrics added to it. Although lyrics are not, necessarily a requisite for a song. Yeah, music is, right? So you can have instrumental music. Okay, there's no lyrics in that. It's still a song. Okay, but let's just assume, for the sake of our discussion here, that especially in pop and rock and a bunch of genres, we have music and we have lyrics. We have that combination. Okay, so and they don't. And I've had students that have never done either of those things, written lyrics or music. And when you get them to a point, because it is possible, believe me, it's not impossible to get someone that has never played, touched an instrument, or written any lyrics. It's possible to help them write a song. They can do it on their own, with virtual instruments, which is pretty cool. Not AI, okay? Not AI, virtual instruments. Piano is the best one, but there's all kinds. There's guitar, there's all kinds of virtual instruments out there, okay? And it is possible to do that. And when you get them to do that, and they can actually express themselves, you'll see that it's actually a natural instinct to be creative. Everyone has the spark of creativity inside of them, It's a natural urge to express yourself one way or another. And some people can do it with painting. You can do the same. You can have the same outcome if you're, painting, writing a song, writing a poem as well. That's you can be very expressive and let out all kinds of emotion and communicate on a different level, especially with music, I find. Because it's that combination of words and music that take communication to the next level. Like what I'm doing now, obviously it's lyrics, it's the spoken word. I'm communicating with you guys. But once you start adding melody to that, and you start singing it and adding music underneath it and melodically express an idea, it's just next level, because the melody is operating on a different band of communication. That is the unspoken word. That's why in classical music and a lot of different instrumental music, a lot of jazz, okay, where there's no lyrics, and people feel you can feel the emotion, you can get that communication, even though there's no words to it. It's amazing. Opera is like that too. Opera that, in a language that you don't understand, in German, in Italian, there's all kinds of operas, right? But that emotion, that combination of the vocal is a very powerful instrument. I would say the most expressive and the most intimate instrument of all of them, because it is an instrument. It's an organic instrument, right? The voice, it's an organic instrument, but it's an instrument nonetheless. But it is the one that is going to connect with people the most, that emotion combined with the word is next level. It's really, really, really powerful. And even if you don't play an instrument, you can still do it. Okay, I've got a couple of videos on this. I could do another one that's sort of more geared towards people that don't play anything at all, have zero background at all, and I can show you how that's possible. You can actually do it, even if you don't have any experience whatsoever. You don't need to know music theory. You don't need to play an instrument. You don't need to do anything. And I might do a video just to sort of, touch on that and show you guys how that works.